I guess, yeah. That's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. So for today's video, today, if you're new to this channel, my name is Lori, and on this channel, I keep it 100. If you're not subscribed, please don't forget to tap on the subscribe button and don't forget to smash the like button. With that being said, here is my Linktree barcode. Don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. If you can't do it like that, go into the description and you will find all my social media platforms. My hubby taught me how to ride a bike, and I am riding a Grom 120 at the moment, but I am so eager to learn more and I want a bigger bike. If you enjoy these types of videos, don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So let's hop right into it. Listen, 3 months ago, I didn't even know how to ride a bike. I didn't even want to get on the back of one. But once my hubby started teaching me, all I want to do is ride. That's it. All I want to do is ride. It's so much fun. It's like scary and fun all at once. But the adrenaline, oh my God, it's like going down a roller coaster. It gives you a sense of excitement, and I absolutely love it. So right now I'm on a 120 Grom, but my hubby and I are going to be getting different bikes. Just like my hubby says, it's all about enjoying life, living life to the fullest, and enjoying the scenery. Oh baby, thank you for teaching me how to drive. Look at how handsome you look, boy. anyways, we decided to do like a little photo shoot. So I set up the camera and him and I just started doing like a little photo shoot. And then I edited it through CapCut, and look at how amazing it came out. You can't even lie. I did some great video here. Oh my God, but it just came out so sexy. Oh my God, just women and riding their bikes, and men too. But I don't know, there's something about it. It's, oh God, it's so sexy. But so that's the end of the video. If you like videos just like this, let me know and we will get more footage just like this. We're thinking about going to the mountains or like Red Rocks or something and just setting up our cameras and then just, you know, videoing each other and videoing the scenery. That's gonna be so beautiful. But anyways, like I said, I'm a new rider and I am so appreciative that he showed me how to ride, because I absolutely love it. But anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will leave all the links down in the description. With that being said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so when I drop a video, you guys will be the first ones to know. And don't forget, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay poppin'. Bye. Life itself is a privilege, but to live life to the fullest, well, that's a choice. Live life to the fullest, but be safe, be careful, and make right decisions. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other.